Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the number of passengers in the G7 taxi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the passenger button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see here, you can just click on the number of passengers that you want to order a cab for. And as you can see, 7 is the maximum, so just click on the number and then click on the confirm button, and now you can continue with the ordering. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.